CAN Community Health works every day to reshape the face of HIV. And joining me now to talk about the upcoming CAN Community Health Red Ribbon Gala are Alex Redmond and Dr. Velma Vega. Welcome back, Alex and Dr. Vega. Pleasure to meet you.
Thank you.
Thank you. And we'll start with you. Can you tell our viewers a little bit about CAN Community Health and what you do and the people that you help?
Oh, sure. So we've been in existence for 27 years. We've been helping, we started here in Sarasota community, and now we are extended in one of the largest organizations treating HIV/AIDS throughout the state of Florida and extending even into other states. But what we treat is HIV/AIDS, sexually transmitted diseases, as well as hepatitis. And we are known experts in this field. We have over 30 clinics and over close to 20,000 patients, and here locally close to 2,000 patients that we treat. So, and that's only in the Sarasota, awesome. Northport area. We've got even more extensions into Clearwater and Tampa.
Those are staggering figures for a community our size.
Yes.
Yeah. We're in 7 states now, Nancy. 7 states, including Puerto Rico.
Well, congratulations. That's quite a bit of growing that you've done over the years.
Yes, yes.
Now, Dr. Vega, how has HIV treatment changed the hope for people living with and being diagnosed with HIV?
Right. Well, we have such growth from the fact of the days of multiple, well, first of all, when there were no medications, and then to taking so many medications that they had so many problems and complications from them, to now taking a 1 pill once a day, and even some studies that are showing injectables that may go as little as taking 1 injection every 6 months.
Thank God.
So there's a big movement and change in HIV, and obviously for us it's about prevention. We've really moved, we call it heaven and earth, to try and get patients to not only be on prevention treatment, but also take preventative measures to avoid getting HIV.
Okay. Now there's a lot of people walking around not knowing that they have the HIV virus, right? How do people know if they're HIV positive or not? Do they come and get actually tested right in your location?
Correct. Well, they definitely can get tested. Free testing is done at almost all our locations, and you can walk in, you can get both your HIV as well as STD and hepatitis testing.
Okay.
And so that's important. But you also can get it at your primary care doctor. Your doctor during your annual physical should be asking you that in the regular panel of your lab test you should be getting an HIV included.
Okay.
It's recommended.
Why don't people, Alex, get tested?
You know, people don't get tested because of fear, and I think one of the biggest problems we have is stigma. Stigma is huge, particularly in communities, the minority communities, because we have different cultural differences. We have machismo in some, and we have homophobia. It's no longer a gay white man's disease. It is everybody. It is your grandfather. It is your grandchild. HIV doesn't discriminate. And people just need to go out and get tested. Plus, we have mobile units, and we have prevention and education people at most of our locations. They go out to community events.
Wonderful. Okay, and that's all on your website for people to find those. We want to talk a little bit about your big event coming up. How is this different from other events on the Suncoast, Alex?
Oh, this is going to be amazing. We have the Golden Globe nominee Billy Porter, who is a wonderful actor that's been around forever. He is an openly gay man. He is elegant, eloquent, super talented. He's on TV all the time, and he was in the groundbreaking FX show Pose, which is about ballroom dancing or voguing on the piers in New York. It was great. And also actress MJ Rodriguez.
Very exciting.
They are going to be at our event. They are guest speakers. It is a red ribbon gala, dressing to the nines, unlike anything Sarasota's seen before. There are a few tickets left, and we have a website that people can go to. They can go to cancommunityhealth.org, and there's also a phone number that you guys have and a video.
Okay. Quickly, where is it going to be held and when?
It's going to be on March 16th at the beautiful Ritz-Carlton Hotel, downtown Sarasota.
How appropriate. And one final question, where do the funds go that you raise from this event?
Great question, Nancy. All funds go directly to our Patient Assistance Fund. So this is to help people.
Wonderful. Well, thank you both for being here.
Thank you.
And have a great gala.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Just ahead on Suncoast FYI, we take a look at the always exciting Orioles spring training season.